STARVIS high-sensitivity image sensor. Built-in GPS/GLONASS receiver logs your driving path. Built-in Wi-Fi function for mobile live streaming. Built-in battery prevents losing crucial images in the event of a power outage. Parking mode and time-lapse video safeguard your vehicle continuously. Transcend's DrivePro 250 dashcam was designed with both style and safety in mind. The DrivePro 250 features a STARVIS image sensor to capture high-resolution videos with extremely fine tonal gradation even in low light. In addition, it features a GPS/GLONASS receiver, a built-in battery, a handy snapshot button, and Wi-Fi connectivity. More than just a safety device, Transcend's DrivePro 250 is a fellow traveler ready to explore more of the world with you. Top reviews from the United States. Best bang for the buck. This is my fourth Transcend dash cam. I have been using the 200 Pro cameras for over 5 years and they are still going strong. This one is an improvement with higher memory capacity. So far it has been flawless.